Hi, this is Ashley, nurse calling from the hospital in regards to your daughter. Just calling to give you an end of shift update with how her day has gone.
Oh, hi. I have been so worried sick about Linda. How is she doing?
Well, I'm happy to share some positive news on how she has done over the last few hours.
Oh, yay.
Since we last spoke, she has made quite a few steps forward. We actually were able to get her sedation medicine turned off, get her to follow commands, and we just took the breathing tube out about an hour ago, and she is doing great.
This is great news.
I know. I'm so excited for her. So, the plan for the rest of the day is to let her rest a little bit. I'm going to try to get her up to a chair before the end of my shift and possibly give her a few ice chips and sips of water to see how she swallows. If all goes well, she'll probably be able to eat something later on this evening.
Ashley, this is the best news you could have called me with.
Well, I'm always happy to share positive news. We are still waiting for a few results to come back, but my gut tells me she should probably get out of the ICU by tomorrow.
Incredible. Thank you so much for taking care of my daughter.
Of course. I am glad I got to take care of her today. Do you have any questions for me? All right. Well, you take care and call us if you have any more questions.
Perfect. Will do. Have a good night.
Thank you. You as well.